The story of Clan Menzies finds its roots in Normandy, where the family originally hailed from the village of Menzies. Upon arriving in England, they adopted the name Manners. In Scotland, however, they evolved into Clan Menzies. One of the clan's early notable figures was Sir Robert de Maynooris, who gained royal favour at the court of Alexander II. His ascent through the ranks, culminating in his role as Chamberlain in 1249, marked the beginning of the clan's influence in Scotland. The Menzies clan's influence extended beyond the court. Alexander, Sir Robert's son, acquired lands in Glenlyon, Athol, and Aberfeldy. Marrying Egidia, the daughter of James, the High Steward of Scotland, Alexander solidified his family's position in Scottish nobility. The clan continued to grow in power and prestige. The Menzies clan's history is punctuated by their engagement in significant conflicts. Sir Robert, a companion in arms of Robert the Bruce, was handsomely rewarded with lands for his service. However, not all alliances were smooth. Opposition to Charles I and the clashes with Montrose exposed the complexities of loyalties within the clan. The Menzies clan faced trials and tribulations that tested their resilience. From battles to family disputes, they weathered numerous storms. Despite internal divisions, the clan remained committed to its heritage and played roles in events such as the Battle of Killiecrankie and the Jacobite uprisings of 1715 and 1745. The Menzies clan's endurance carried into the modern era. The baronetcy reached its conclusion with Sir Neil Menzies, marking a transition in leadership. Miss Ophidia Menzies, his sister, temporarily took the reins before the estates were sold. Menzies Castle, once dilapidated, was saved by the Menzies Clan Society in 1957, a testament to the clan's enduring spirit. As time marched forward, the Menzies clan extended its presence across the globe. With the present chief residing in Australia, the clan's legacy has transcended borders. The stories of bravery, loyalty, and resilience continue to inspire those who trace their lineage back to Clan Menzies.